Are you looking for the best tool cart? In this video, we will break down the top 6 tool carts on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1, HOMAK Manufacturing Service Cart. HOMAK provides a nice cart with a twist. If you need access to the top storage tray, the lid splits, sliding to the two sides on drawer slides, allowing you access to what is underneath without having to move what's on top. Nice job. 2 locking drawers are provided, as well as a bottom tray for additional storage. Total weight limit is 600 pounds. Its facility now resides in the Wampum Underground Commerce Center. HOMAK emphasizes tool storage and gun cabinet security. The full product line consists of hand-carry toolboxes, tool bags, parts organizers, tool storage cabinets, workbenches, garage furniture, safety cabinets, spill containment systems, PB&E products, steel lockers, gun cabinets, fire-resistant safes, ammo storage boxes and accessories. At number 2, WIN 73002 Service Utility Cart. The WIN 500-pound capacity 40 by 17-inch service utility cart is the best tool cart because it has 2 large shelves for easy organization, is narrow enough to fit through any door, and contains a cup holder for easy storage. The 2 big open shelves measure 30 inches by 16 inches by 4 inches. The toolboxes on the bottom shelf, organized for the type of work. This cart is strong enough to hold up to 500 pounds. 5-inch casters roll smoothly. Made from tough and durable polypropylene material. Cup holder is in the center area of the push handle. Narrow enough to fit through any door. At number 3, GOPLUS Rolling Toolbox. The GOPLUS Black Rolling Tool Cart Steel Sliding Drawer Tool Organizer is the best tool cart because it is made of steel construction, the drawers can be locked, and the cart is easy to move. The tool organizer's steel construction makes it a heavier tool cart option and more durable than polypropylene, which is essentially hard plastic. If you plan to use this tool cart outside in the sun, it may last longer. However, it is not a good idea to expose the metal tool cart to rain. It has drawers and a sliding top that opens. It requires opening the sliding top before pulling out a drawer and the need to close one drawer to open the other one. This is so that heavy things in an open drawer do not throw off the balance and make the cart tip over. Drawers roll open very easily. All drawers can lock with one key. Top cover is a non-slip pad. Easy to push cart around. 2 of the 4 casters can lock in place. At number 4, GOPLUS Rolling Tool Service Utility Cart. Carrying each product at a time to the designated area is troublesome when you have insufficient time. The Rubbermaid Commercial Product Service Cart is a recommended one as it is a package of convenient features. The crucial trait it has is its ability to hold heavy and maximum objects. Even being stroked by the most robust object, it will prove its sturdiness. It is manufactured by a demanding material to ensure its rust-proof and waterproof nature. Transporting the empty carrier will not be a problem due to its lightweight. Moreover, its wheels are suitably designed for faster and effortless portability over any surface. You can hang your items within its holsters and caddy. Pipes can be easily fit in the V-notch, confirming safety. It is molded in fittings to add rods for the convenient storage of wire. The handle has a smooth surface for a comfortable grip. At number 5, SEVILLE Classics WEB 483 Rolling Cart. Save space with SEVILLE Classics 15-drawer organizer cart. Constructed with industrial-strength tubular steel finished in chrome, the cart features tall, easy-to-grab handles and a removable perforated steel top shelf. Cart includes 15 removable polypropylene drawers in opaque black with chrome drawer pull knobs. Get organized with 10 smaller drawers and 5 large drawer bins, making it perfect for storing both lightweight and bulky supplies. The interior of each drawer measures 15.2 inches long and 11.25 inches wide, deep enough to hold a ream of printer paper with space to spare. Each drawer can hold up to 3.3 pounds, while the top shelf can withstand up to 16.5 pounds. Remove drawers and reorder them as needed for an organization solution that works for you. Use it as a makeup organizer or as arts and crafts storage. Fill it with notepads, binders, staples, and other supplies next to your desk as an office storage cart. The cart includes 4 1.5-inch casters with 2 that lock, so the cart goes where you need and stays where you put it. This convenient organizer is ideal for use in the dorm room, classroom, office, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, garage or workspace. Easy to install and easy to remove, the drawers slide unattached through metal channels. Take your stuff with you when you need it. At number 6. Olympia Tools 85 to 188 Roll Service Cart. This service cart keeps all your tools and equipment in one place when needed for maintenance responsibilities. Features a secure locking mechanism so it doesn't collapse. 150 pounds capacity. It has 3 collapsible shelves designed to offer you plenty of space when moving equipment, tools, files, garden supplies and more. It can be folded down to 8 inches to store away easily. This durable and long-lasting tool that helps you with home, garage and industrial projects. With professional-grade quality, easily repair and fix issues with our tool cabinet essentials. This tool provides quality and innovative hand and specialty tools, tool accessories and outdoor equipment for construction, woodworking, mechanical maintenance and home repair. Wheel color may vary.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.